Hi, welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome to Green Forex Academy, helping traders become more profitable. We have a sell signal here. Here we have a buy signal. We have another sell signal. We have the trigger line here, which is the blue. And as you can see here, the MACD histogram, which helps us to know the MACD line, crossing this blue line here. Here we have it. This histogram bar closes below the trigger line, and now we can see we have a bar closes below the zero line, because at the middle here we have the zero MACD line. So we have here a candle, a bar closes below that. In this bar, if you look upward here, you will see that it's this candle. So if you sell from here, from this candle, you're going to take profit down to this point where this bar closes inside the trigger line, showing that the downtrend is over, and now we have MACD resuming the uptrend. But immediately it crosses the zero line to the upside, is showing that the bullish signal is confirmed, or it is strong. So a lot of traders combine the crossover and they wait to see if the MACD crosses. But if you are a high risk trader, you don't have to really wait for the zero line to be crossed. Some people are high risk traders. Some people trade with risks, but I will not recommend you to trade that way. I will trade when I confirm that 12 is crossing 26 to the upside and is above zero. Then I would like to take a trade. So if you trade that way, I tell you, you will always be on the winning side. You for sure you would take some losses, because the market would not always go your direction. So sometimes you will experience losses as part of trading. Even professional traders on the stock exchange or on the foreign exchange, they do have losses, but their winning trade ratio is far above their losses, so that keeps them on the winning side.